What is the ginger plant? Zingiber officinale, more commonly known as the ginger plant, is a flowering plant native to the tropical and subtropical forests of Southeast Asia. It can grow up to 4 feet tall, and its knobbly rhizome, the ginger root, has been used for thousands of years as a cooking spice and folk remedy for a variety of ailments. The plant itself is known as a herbaceous perennial, which means it doesn't have any woody stems above the ground, and it lives for more than 2 years. Every year it grows pseudostems up to 1 meter tall, which have the appearance of stems, but are just parts of the leaves at the base tightly rolled, and the cluster of flowers that grow at the top of separate shoots consist of pale yellow petals with purple edges. Ginger can be grown year-round, and it's easy to grow yourself from the rhizomes you can find in the grocery store. While the ginger plant is an herb, its knobbly ginger root is considered a vegetable, although some recipes refer to it as an herb and others classify it as a spice. Either way, ginger is renowned for its spicy, pungent aroma. Its unique flavor and fragrance are down to gingerol, the main active ingredient, which also happen to offer powerful anti-inflammatory compounds. But more on that later. Ginger in the Holy Book Quran. Known as the Great Remedy since the 9th century, ginger has been grown and used in Islamic and Arabic medicine for all kinds of ailments and diseases. Despite the mighty power of the ginger plant being known for over 5,000 years, it's only now that Western science and medicine is starting to catch up. In Arabic, ginger is known as Zingiber. It's mentioned in the Holy Book Quran, in the chapter Isan, verse 17, and they will be given to drink a cup of drink mixed with Zingiber. Allah Almighty declares that ginger will be one of the drinks that believers will enjoy in paradise, and it's believed that the King of Rome sent the Prophet Muhammad, peace upon him, a gift of picked ginger, which he ate and shared with his companions. Many of the health benefits of the ginger root have been documented in the book The Prophetic Medicine by Ibn Qayyim al-Jawziyah. It's safe to say that ginger has rightly earned its title as a heavenly herb. The health benefits of ginger root. Not only does ginger pack a punch containing a good whack of vitamin C, magnesium, and potassium, but the combination of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties gives way to a plethora of health benefits, such as reducing inflammation, regulating blood sugar, lowering cholesterol, aiding in digestion, hormone production, and assisting in weight loss, just to name a few. Specific chemical compounds in fresh ginger help to ward off germs and harmful bacteria like E. coli, keep certain viruses at bay, and if you're feeling queasy, ginger can help relieve the nausea thought to be due to the breaking down and purging of built-up intestinal gas. Do you remember the compound gingerol mentioned earlier? Well, this potent compound is packed with antioxidant properties. This, along with its ability to combat inflammatory enzymes, makes it a fantastic pain reliever, especially beneficial for many inflammatory-related conditions, including arthritis and menstrual cramps. And, interestingly, it's been linked to long-term pain relief more than the immediate. The highest concentration of anti-inflammatory compounds are focused in the fresh form of ginger, but you can also find some in these dried or powdered gingers, although they aren't as effective as the structure of gingerol changes when heated. How to use and consume ginger root. You can purchase ginger fresh, dried, or powdered, and a little really does go a long way. Its sweet yet peppery flavor makes ginger an easy pairing partner for a wide variety of culinary uses, and is used in almost any kind of dish from sweet to savory, desserts to salads, marinades to curries, and jams to marmalades. Chop or grate fresh ginger into salad dressings, curries and sauces, seafood and meats, or pickle it to turn it into a condiment. Infuse ginger and garlic into olive oil to make a tasty dressing, or use ground ginger to spice up your morning coffee or post-workout smoothies. Sprinkle on apple or rhubarb crumble, or fold it into your breakfast pastries. Delicious. When it comes to shopping for high-quality ginger products, look no further than iHerbal Origin's organic ginger root. 100% natural and non-GMO, this premium product is ideal for use in all types of culinary creations. Visit www.iherbalorigin.com or find it on Amazon under iHerbal Origin. Ginger root comes in vegan capsules of 500 milligrams or 700 milligrams, or in powder 7 ounces. iHerbal Origin, natural healing. With the many uses and incredible versatility of the ginger root, it could be considered the true spice of life.